Today I find myself in Columbia, Missouri, and today we are about to drive to go to the highest point in the state of Missouri, Taum Sauk Mountain. I am joined today by my good friends Selden and Pedro once again. Selden because he lives here, and like I said in my little update video, I'm taking advantage of his move, and Pedro joined us on the Delaware high point. How you doing, Pedro?
I just tried to break into someone else's truck.
That's Selden's truck, so
okay.
You know, it really wouldn't matter.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Thoughts on your second high point that you're about to go to?
This is my second.
You went to Delaware, remember?
Yeah, but I've been to another one. The Jersey one. I've been there before.
Oh, you have been to High Point?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, there we go. Then you're third.
Yeah,
all right.
So this will be the third.
This will be Selden's
Well,
fifth,
that I know of.
But we got a long drive ahead of us, as usual with all these damn things.
I'm shocked. Usually I'm the one driving. This is so nice.
Not when I do these things.
Oh, yeah, fair.
See you guys when we get there. So we have arrived at Taum Sauk Mountain State Park. We passed a little scenic overview. It was actually nicer than we thought it would be. I think the trailhead is not going to be pretty much anything for the high point, but there may be some other trails that we can do around here, so let's check it out.
Really? Is that license like that? Yeah. Oh my god!
Is it nice in there? What?
Bro, I've seen bathrooms in Brazil offend me less.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
Yeah, literally just a door opening, bro.
Were you able to use it at all?
I'm pissed, but like...
Oh my God!
I really want to go in now. I really want to go in. Is it worth it? No.
It's an experience, bro. Jesus Christ. It's not even like an actual tank.
I just gotta see it for myself. I can't. I'm scared to breathe. I'm so scared. Oh my god. Oh my lord.
Dude.
Bro!
I've been to some mountain bathrooms where there's like, it's basically an outhouse.
Yeah, that's what this is.
That is the worst one I've ever been to.
Holy shit,
I've
dude.
been to some bathrooms in Brazil that haven't offended me.
Oh. Bro, it's like
The
India.
bathroom is so much better. I actually kind of like the smell of the...
Of that bathroom?
I literally felt like I felt assaulted, bro. Which are you doing, bro?
Just the beginning, man. Pedro's ghost. Oh my God! So amazing. Nice in there.
I literally heard you say that outside. The door was shut. I was just like, isn't there?
Oh shit.
God.
See, Richard had a taste before going in. I just got in, I opened the door and just was assaulted, bro.
Oh my God. I gotta get some shots.
I'll be in
A lot
charge.
of penicillin, bro.
I need some antibiotics. I need some ivermectin, bro.
We are at the high point of Maryland. We're not in Maryland. High point of Missouri.
We didn't drive that far.
Taum Sauk Mountain. 1,772 feet above sea level. 16 down, 34 more to go.
There's no elevation marker.
I don't like how there's no marker, but some of them won't have them.
Throw twigs at them.
Now we're just hiking on a trail, seeing where the mountain will take us on these country roads.
Richard, did you bring the water?
Nope.
What? I literally thought you said you were bringing water.
Yeah, I forgot. We didn't have water last time.
Thank God we didn't camp.
It is very cool. Look at this. I do. Yeah.
We have arrived at the waterfall at Taum Sauk Mountain. It was a 1.5 mile hike to get here, and this was absolutely worth it. This reminds me of my the Jemez Falls in New Mexico in the Jemez Mountains. This place is gorgeous for only being like 1,500 feet up in elevation. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. I'm very pleased that we got to come out and do this one today. Bottom of the waterfall now, after a nice decent down climb. It's really, really beautiful out here. Only problem with this is we gotta go back up. But this is gorgeous. All right, fellas, what do you think of the high point today?
Well, we definitely took a little step down from the high point, but this is amazing.
Yeah, this is really cool. I really like this. I did not expect all this.
Honestly, when we pulled up at the high point, there was a overlook that we drove by and we stopped for a second. I thought, I mean, I guess it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Then we actually started walking like down this trail. Oh my God.
The water is awesome. I love this.
It had
Such an elevation change, and,
Yes.
and it's so many waterfalls. It's really cool.
We were not expecting the waterfall at all. Yeah, this place is a banger, but we're about to head back up. Well, we made it back to the truck,
We did?
in case they were curious. I'm not sure what the round trip was since we didn't actually record our mileage.
Yes, we did. 3.4 miles.
Then there you go. Shout out to
We went-
Pedro. That was great.
Yeah.
I mean, the high point was mid, but when we continued and found that waterfall, it literally bumped it up to like S tier. Like,
Yeah.
for sure.
There was a lot of good pictures and videos we got down there.
Yeah. Final thoughts, Selden?
I was thinking coming here, I was like, man, if there's nothing at the high point, I just want to hike and like jump off some rocks or something. But that was really good.
Yeah.
This is my third high point, only my second one with Richard, but I mean, out of the 3 I've been to, what was it? Literally High Point, New Jersey. What was the one we did in
We did
Delaware?
Ebright Azimuth.
Yeah, that one sucked. This one was really, really good.
Yeah, this one jumping up on a higher place on my list. Thank you guys for watching. Check back in with the next one. I'll see you in the next video.